If you're looking for practical ways to increase the value of your Fayetteville home, upgrading to modern patio doors is one of the smartest improvements you can make. Whether you're preparing to sell, planning a future renovation, or simply want to elevate your home's comfort and style, patio doors deliver benefits that today's homebuyers truly notice. From improved energy efficiency to stunning indoor-outdoor flow, the right patio door can dramatically change how your home looks, feels, and performs. A beautiful upgrade that boosts curb appeal. First impressions matter, and patio doors play a big role in shaping how people view your home. Outdated sliders or worn wooden doors can make a home feel older than it is, while sleek modern patio doors instantly refresh your home's appearance. Styles like French doors, multi-slide doors, and contemporary glass panels create a cleaner, more welcoming look. When potential buyers in Fayetteville walk into a home and see beautiful patio doors that open to a yard or outdoor space, it leaves a lasting impression. That visual connection between the indoors and outdoors is a major selling point in today's market. Increased natural light makes spaces look bigger. Sunlight is one of the most desirable features buyers look for. Bright, naturally lit rooms feel more spacious, warm, and inviting. Patio doors with large glass panels allow significantly more daylight to flood your home. This benefit is especially valuable in Fayetteville neighborhoods where many homes have beautiful backyards or scenic outdoor spaces. By allowing more light in, patio doors make interior rooms look larger and more attractive, something that can directly influence perceived home value. Improved energy efficiency reduces utility costs. Modern patio doors are built with advanced energy-saving technology that older models simply don't have. Features like double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings help reduce heat loss in the winter and limit heat gain in the summer. For Fayetteville homeowners, this is a big advantage. The area experiences cold winters and warm summers, meaning your heating and cooling systems work hard throughout the year. Energy-efficient patio doors help lower monthly utility bills, which is a major selling point for environmentally conscious buyers and budget-focused families alike. Enhanced indoor-outdoor living. Today's buyers place high value on outdoor living spaces. A well-designed patio or deck becomes even more usable and appealing when paired with the right patio door. Sliding, folding, or French patio doors make it easier to access outdoor entertainment areas, turning your backyard into an extension of your living space. This seamless connection adds lifestyle value, something buyers actively look for. Whether it's hosting family gatherings, enjoying morning coffee outside, or letting in fresh air during pleasant weather, patio doors help homeowners enjoy a more open and connected living experience. Better security and functionality. Homebuyers also care about safety, security, and convenience. Modern patio doors come with stronger locking systems, durable frames, and improved glass strength. These upgrades do more than boost functional value, they increase buyer confidence. Smooth gliding tracks, easy-to-operate handles, and high-performance hardware also enhance daily usability. When buyers experience how effortlessly a new patio door operates, it signals quality and care throughout the home. A high ROI home improvement compared to larger renovation projects, replacing patio doors is relatively affordable, yet it brings a strong return on investment. Homebuyers notice when a home has been thoughtfully updated, and a patio door replacement is one of the improvements that can help a home stand out in a competitive Fayetteville market. If you're considering home upgrades that truly add value, patio doors are a smart place to start. They enhance comfort, improve efficiency, and elevate your home's appeal, all while making everyday life more enjoyable.